Justclean, founded in 2016 by the brothers Adbi and Nouri Al-Anazi, is started in Kuwait, and now we are serving 5 countries across the Middle East, or the Gulf area itself, which is Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar, KSA, and UAE. Hi, my name is Ismail. I'm the Customer Service Manager in Justclean. Justclean is marketplace mobile application for anything named clean in the market. What we are looking for Justclean is to be number 1 for cleaning services for all customers across the Gulf areas. We are looking to extend our business across all Middle East countries. Actually, our main goal for the customers, based on the customer service department, of course, is to get the customer satisfaction in the highest level, as well as to step forward from the satisfaction to delight the customer themselves. As we say that we are serving 5 countries in GCC, it's much easier for us to use Ziwo because Ziwo is giving us the ID for each single country that we are dealing with. So I'm calling the customer from anywhere of the world, and it's connecting to their DID in their country and smoothly connecting with the customer with a clear voice, a very good quality of the call as well, with the minimum network requirements. We started Ziwo with Tier 3 license, and we're getting it increased in like each single month based on number of agents. So I getting it slowly migrated from telephony sets infrastructure to be all working with Ziwo on the cloud telephony, because as I say, it's much easier for each single employee that I have, as well as with the quality of the calls with the customers, which is like much easy for my team and myself as well. If you tell me to recommend Ziwo from 1 to 10, so I totally recommend Ziwo. I'm gonna give them 10. Want to say thank you, Ziwo, for your efforts, your dedication, and I'm looking forward for more success together, inshallah.